In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Brawl Stars crashing on Android. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're using the latest version of the Brawl Stars app. To confirm, you want to open Play Store on your device. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search for Brawl Stars. If you find the option of update instead of play, then tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Running the latest version can often fix crashing issues. Now open Brawl Star and check if your issue has been fixed. If it is not, then the next thing you want to do is tap and hold on the Brawl Star app. Now tap on the app info icon. This should take you to settings. Now you want to tap on storage. Here tap on clear cache. Once that is done, head back. Now tap on the option of force stop. Now tap on OK. After that is done, open Brawl Star to check if your problem has been resolved. If not, then you can restart your device. Go ahead and restart it. After restarting, open Brawl Star and this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.